Hey everyone, today we're going to do the unboxing of my Gucci Ophidia bag. So let's check it out. So they have this very nice green bag, which I really love. And you know, the details. And they also gave me this. I love freebie. Thank you to my SA for doing that. Really appreciate that. And here's my Gucci. This is the Ophidia bag. Okay, the box is, I love it. Look at that. So nice. And inside, the dust bag is so cute. Love it. Gucci. As you can see, it has a Gucci in it. And then inside this is oh my god, you ready guys? This! My Ophidia bag. So nice. I love the size, by the way. It's not too big and not too small, so I think it's perfect if you go out for a party with friends. And it's a sling bag. It's a crossbody bag. So that's that. So that's the front and then the back. So I just love this color because it's the iconic Gucci. And yeah, that's that. I think there's another color for this, the white one, but for me, white is just not my thing. It's, can easily be broken, so I can't. So yeah, that's my bag, and I really love everything about this bag, the size, the style, and also if you're going to open, it's actually magnetic here. So that's how it looks like in the inside. You can put your phone and other stuff here. And there's also a little bit of, it also goes with all of the Gucci stuff here inside the bag. Wow. I love this. Yeah, you have everything here from Gucci. So yeah, that's my bag. So I hope you guys love this. And to be honest with you, this is my first Gucci. And I think this won't be the first one. So there's going to be another one. But yeah, I love this bag. And guys, if you like this, just click like and subscribe and post any comments. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.